Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys, how can we share guys mobile hotspot guys Samsung phone to any another device. Friends, you want to share guys your Samsung phone guys this mobile hotspot. So how can you share? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys and how can you use it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we share guys mobile hotspot Samsung phone to any another phone device. So guys we will on first of all guys the Samsung phone guys your phone setting guys. So first of all guys we will on Samsung phone setting. Friends click on your phone connection setting guys. Friends click on guys your phone mobile hotspot guys. Again click on mobile hotspot and guys on your hotspot and friends you can see QR code guys, tap here. Friends you can see scan the QR code to connect from another device without entering the password. So we will do same. So guys in this phone guys I will on get this scanner and guys I will scan guys this QR code guys. So as you can see I will scan it. As you can see connect option guys, notification guys, tap here to connect. So as you can see this hotspot will share and guys we can use from here. So like that guys we can share guys mobile hotspot we can share. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to share mobile hotspot. So bye guys.